These are the parts you'll need to change the oil on your Onan 7500 generator. From left to right, we have 15W40 oil, an Onan oil filter, a funnel, a hose, an oil pan that holds at least 5 gallons, and something for your back. We have all the products below at the best price. Let's locate our generator and turn it on. Go inside your RV and turn on the AC units. We want a load to go on the generator to make sure it's nice and warm for when we change the oil. Let these run for 5 minutes. 10 minutes, shut off the generator. Loosen the oil drain cap and let the old oil flow out. Okay, and once all the oil is done draining out of there, we're going to tighten back up the oil drain plug. First, we'll hand tighten it to get started. Then take your ratchet and make sure that you tighten it up so that no oil spills out. Not too tight. You want to be able to get it off next time you work on it. Looks good. Locate the oil filter on your generator. Twist it off. And we're going to take off the filter and then clean it. With our new filter, we're going to take a little bit of oil on our finger and rub it on the top of the gasket of the new filter. With the old filter removed, clean out the filter seat with an old rag or t-shirt. Next, we're going to hand tighten the new air filter. After you feel it go tight, give it about another quarter to half turn with your hand. Careful not to over tighten too much. Perfect. And now we do a beer bong of oil.